if you are in your 20s and you always feel not good enough, today I'll show you 5 psychology-backed methods that fix your self-esteem fast. Method 1. The attribution shift. Low self-esteem usually comes from one pattern your brain repeats without you noticing. You explain failures by attacking your identity instead of examining your strategy. You don't think I studied wrong. You think I'm stupid. You don't think I need more reps. You think I'm useless. And listen, every time you do this to you, you damage your self-esteem because your brain starts treating these identity labels as facts. Psychologists call this attribution style, and the research shows that people who blame behavior instead of identity recover faster, feel more motivated, and build higher self-esteem. So here's the shift. Don't ask what's wrong with me. Ask what needs adjusting. Not I'm bad at this, but I can improve my approach. This one change can save years of self-doubt. Method number 2. The competence loop. Let me tell you the truth. You don't lack confidence. You lack evidence. Self-esteem doesn't grow from positive thinking. It grows from self-efficacy. Your belief that you can take action and handle challenges. And this belief comes from one place: mastery experiences. Whether talking to a girl or learning new skills, every completion gives your brain new evidence that you are capable. And your mind updates its self-image based on evidence, not dreams. This is the core of self-efficacy theory, one of the very famous models in psychology. Your self-esteem grows from action, not affirmation. Method 3. The comparison detox. Here's where people get trapped. You compare your entire life to someone else's highlight reel, and your brain isn't built for that. A recent study on Instagram found that when people compare themselves to others online, their self-esteem and body confidence drop. Your brain interprets it as evidence that you're behind, even when you're not. So here's a fix. Mute all of the accounts that trigger your insecurity. Unfollow people who drain your confidence. Fill your feed with people who inspire growth, not comparison. You can't build confidence in a mental environment designed to make you feel less. Method number 4. The self-trust rule. This is one of the most underrated psychological levers for self-esteem. Your confidence rises or falls based on one question: do I trust myself? Every time you break your own word, your brain learns not to trust you. Skip the gym just today, scroll instead of studying, or promise yourself you'll try tomorrow. Your confidence drops not because you failed, but because you broke alignment with yourself. So here's a rule. Make fewer promises, but keep all of them. Shrink goals until they're impossible to miss. Focus on consistency, not perfection. Every kept promise is one vote for your identity. I'm someone who follows through. And this is the foundation of real confidence and self-esteem. Method number 5. The self-compassion switch. This part matters so much because most people get it backwards. They think being harsh will make them stronger, but psychology says the opposite. Self-criticism kills motivation, increases procrastination, and crushes your self-esteem. On the other hand, self-compassion, treating yourself like someone you want to see win, massively boosts confidence and resilience. Because when you stop attacking yourself, your brain stops entering threat mode, and growth finally becomes possible. So speak to yourself the way you would speak to a friend. Don't trash talk. When you fail, say, I'm learning. When you feel insecure, say, I'm improving. And when you feel behind, say, I'm early in my journey. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more videos that help you unlock your potential in your 20s.